Digital photography made simple.
Hello, welcome back to Digital 1-to-1. This segment is about photographing our pets. What's the key element to photographing our pet? Couple of things. Preparation and point of view. Many times when we go to photograph our animals, we don't really pay attention to the preparation it takes to get those great shots. Now basically what we're going to show you today is how to get great shots in a form of a candid and something in a setup shot. Now we love our animals, but they're not always going to pose for us the way we would expect them to do. We need to learn and understand how to bring them into our view and concept so that we get that great shot. So let's talk about preparation and point of view. Have you ever had those moments when your animal is in that perfect position and you don't have your camera with you? You get up because your camera's in the camera bag in the other room. What happens? Your animal gets up with you. They think you're going to feed them again. So if you're sitting at the couch and you see your cat crawl up to you, your dog sit next to you on the couch, take your camera out ahead of time. Know your animal's habits. Know how they're going to live throughout the day. Keep the camera near you on the table. And remember, this way your movements are subtle and you're not getting too excited because the shot's great and the animal's not going to get startled in the excess of getting all that action going. So bring your camera nearby, have it ready to shoot. Remember the point of view of your animal, so don't always shoot from the position you're at. Then you can slowly get up and move away, and in soft, subtle movements, your animal will not be startled, and that's how you're going to get those great candid shots. Sometimes we want to photograph our animals in unfamiliar and uncomfortable positions. But how do we get around that? We need to understand that we have a small window of time to get that perfect shot. One of the key elements we need to know is to have our point of view ready ahead of time to get that great shot. Now we're going to want to dress our pets up, and like we did today, we put a little hat and scarf on our dog Tiki, but you know, they're not always going to want to sit and pose for us as we want them. So after 5 or 6 tries, or 10 tries, whatever it's going to take, and they've had their day, let them walk away. Don't get frustrated with it. Keep the set staged, keep it all ready to go. Come back to it later, because by then they might feel it's a little familiar, and they probably will, and they're going to pose for you longer. So have fun with that. Now another way to capture great shots of our pets is to just let them be. Let your camera be active within their action. Take them out to a park. Put them out in your backyard. For instance, at a park, we can get up on a bench, look down upon them for some shots that show the surrounding areas. Or get really low and show a blade of grass in the foreground while they're running in the background. Remember, don't place your pets in unwanted or unfamiliar environments. They're not going to be happy, and it's only going to make them feel uneasy. A little bit of kindness and a little bit of acceptance on your part is going to make them stars of your images. So we're going to leave you today with some great shots of Tiki, our pet, and look forward and watch our next segment of Digital 1-to-1. And we got one waiting for us right now. See you later.